Good morning to one and all. In the today's class, I am going to discuss about FET small signal model. So this one we call it as JFET low frequency model. In order to draw this model, you have to derive two parameters. Okay, the first one is transconductance, the other one is drain resistance. So in order to draw the small signal model, you should derive the expressions for transconductance and drain resistance. Okay, so transconductance is nothing but it's a reciprocal of the resistance. This transconductance value will derive from the transfer characteristics. Okay, drain resistance RD, this value will get from the drain characteristics. So before going to the relation between output quantity and input quantity of an FET, I will recall the relation between output and input quantity of BJT. So in BJT, as you all know that the output quantity, the collector current is equal to beta times of IB, input current. So the output quantity relate with an input quantity with a factor of beta, right? Where beta is an amplification factor. Your BJT is a current control device. That is, the output current is controlled by the input current. In a similar way, in FET, you have to derive the relation between output quantity and input quantity. The output quantity is drain current is equal to transconductance into VGS. That is, the drain current depends on the input quantity, gate to source voltage. Therefore, transconductance is equal to ID by VGS by keeping VDS constant. Okay. Here I had written resistance is nothing but voltage by current by Ohm's law. Transconductance is an inverse of resistance, that is nothing but I by V. I by V. Okay, therefore ID is equal to Gm into delta VGS. So how to get these values? Delta ID and delta VGS from the transfer characteristics, right? I already explained the transfer characteristics. So this one we call as a transfer characteristics, transfer curve. In the x-axis you have an VGS input voltage. In the y-axis you have an output current ID. The curve is in parabolic in nature. Consider a portion of the parabolic curve. Project lines horizontally as well as vertically. Then you will get the values of VGS and ID. Okay. So if you substitute these two values here, then you will get transconductance. Okay. So how to get this drain resistance? Drain resistance will get from drain characteristics. So as you all know that this one we called as a drain characteristics. On the x-axis you have output current VDS. On the y-axis you have drain current ID. This is a drain curve. By keeping VGS is equal to 2 volt constant. If you take the slope of this curve, then you will get VDS value and ID value. If you substitute these two here, by keeping input voltage constant VGS, then you will get drain resistance value. Okay. So once you know the value of RD and GM, you have to draw the low frequency signal model. So how to draw the low frequency signal model in the sense, I will show you here. First, source you have to make common with respect to gate and drain. This is your input part of your circuit and this one is your output part of your circuit. So in the input part of your circuit you have gate, right? As you know that JFET have high input impedance. So at the input part of circuit you should not connect anything here, because for open circuit the impedance is very much high. Keep it in your mind. For open circuit the impedance is very much high. Therefore, due to that, you have to keep open circuit here. The voltage measuring across these two terminals is VGS. Okay, and then you have to connect one practical source, practical current source. This is your drain part, practical current source. That is, arrow mark will be downward. This one we called as GM into VGS, means this value, GM into VGS ID. This for the practical current source. As you know that one resistor will be connected in parallel. This is nothing but your drain resistance RD. Okay, so what is the input impedance for this model? This one is a low frequency model. This one is called as a low frequency model. Zi is called input impedance. Zi is called input impedance, and Z0 is called output impedance. Output impedance. So the input impedance is open circuit, therefore Zi is high due to open circuit. That is one of the advantages in JFET. What is the output impedance? RD. Z0 is equal to RD. That is nothing but drain to source resistance. Okay, this model we call it as JFET small signal model.